What's going on, guys? And again, in this video, we are going to stress the significance of this indicator that you guys can all put on your charts in some form or fashion. It's the daily 5 SMA. And if you're patient enough to wait for it to come into play, you should be able to find some setups off of this level. Now, this level is going to be this green line, and let me get my drawing tool. This green line here that we see on the chart, that is your daily 5 SMA. Now, a lot of you guys like to click the button as soon as the market opens. You like to go long, short, long, short, long, 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 short, 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 short. Some of you guys have logged in 3, 4, 5, 6 dozen trades, before lunchtime, right? I'm here to stress to you that if you mark out your charts prior, or you have some specific levels that you are looking to trade, trading becomes a lot more easier. Yeah, that's right. I said it. Trading is going to become easier and a lot less stressful when you're actually waiting for something to happen and accepting the outcome for win, lose, or draw. Okay. So in this particular situation, this run up off the open is gone. Like if you were not looking at yesterday's high, if you were not looking at yesterday's London high, and you were not looking to play a breakout, you missed it, right? So what tends to happen to people? Well, they see the market open up, it shoots up, they think it's going to pull back a little bit, and they tell themselves, well, I'll catch a pullback, and then it doesn't pull back, and then it doesn't pull back, and the next thing you know, you start to go long here. And then the market kind of pulls back a little bit, it shoots up, and then it crashes down. And then you lose all of this money and you say the market is rigged. You say that the strategies don't work. You say that the price action is manipulated and all this other nonsense and absolute BS. The better thing to do is say, okay, I accept my fate here. I understand that I wasn't ready technically to take that long. Okay. If you were a member of Evolution Traders, you were looking at this level off the long. Again, if you want to join, that link is down in the description box below. But let's just say that you missed this run up. Okay. You missed this run up. So it's not even in place, but you really respect those daily moving averages. And the two that I respect the most for intraday trading is the daily 5 and the daily 10. Now look at what happens once we started to pull back, and we pulled back some more, and we pulled back some more, and we started to come into this daily 5. Not only does it give us a couple of candlesticks here, like this little hammer candle, like this hammer candle, but we have multiple candles. Okay, let me take this off. Multiple candles of consolidation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're looking at about 25 minutes of consolidation at and around this daily 5 moving average. Okay, so the daily 5 moving average. So I'm just going to put D5, the daily 5 SMA. Okay, whoops, daily 5 SMA. And you'll notice that once you get this hammer candle to close, okay, you could essentially have a very low risk trade where you analyze this hammer candle that touched and tagged the daily 5. You tell yourself this is a 30-point range. You play size that's respectable, that's not going to blow you out of the water if you're wrong. In this case, let's say for every micro contract that you're trading, you're going to lose $60. Okay, so if you're trading 2, you're going to lose 120. If you're trading 3, you're going to lose around 180 bucks. So let's say all in all, we want to risk $200 on this potential trade. Our entry price is going to be above this hammer candle. Once you confirm this hammer candle on the following candle, you want to get into this trade risking 30 points. Any break or closure below that daily 5, you're out for your 30-point loss. And what you're looking to do is take this from 22,950 all the way up here to 70, right? If you just look at yesterday, this line here, this 22,971 was yesterday's London high, was yesterday's high range. You could have taken this for 20 points right into that range. You could have also targeted VWAP, right? Here's a breakdown and a back test of VWAP. You could have taken this for a full 1-to-1. Okay, now me, I don't look for 20, 30 points. I like to look for 10 points, 12 points, 15 points, just based on the numbers and the way that I like to trade. Those numbers get hit a lot more than when I tell myself, well, there's 30 points of potential, so let me squeeze all the water out of this rock that I can get. I just tell myself this: there's 30 points of potential. If I can pick up 10 to 15 points on this puppy, I'm great. And if you do that day in and day out and day in and day out, and you live with the losses when they come, and you don't overtrade and you don't be an idiot, you're going to make money. I can almost put a lot of certainty in that, but most of you guys are losing money, and myself included. We tend to lose money when we are looking for more. We tend to lose money when we oversize. We tend to lose money when our ego gets in the way and we don't want to accept defeat and we want to go back and revenge trade. These are all things that you know and you already understand about yourself right now. And sometimes it takes people hiring a mentor or getting a coach or getting a trading buddy or joining a community, or it just takes you honestly to hit absolute trading rock bottom before you throw in the white towel and you say, either I'm going to quit this business or I'm going to learn and do shit the right way because I've been doing things the wrong way and it's not working. So let me make an adjustment. But I just wanted to highlight to you guys why the daily 5 is so important. It's going to give you levels to play on a daily basis. And if it doesn't happen, guess what, guys? There's no trade. And sometimes if you guys are watching this live price action right now, you get a bounce off of it. It gets rejected at supply. It puts in a lower high. And maybe we do lose and break down through this 22,920 area, which is a daily 5. And maybe we start traveling down towards yesterday's low, towards yesterday's London session low. That's an area of opportunity where you can use this daily 5 as a potential short. So again, if you guys are looking for more information, definitely join Evolution Traders. I have one space available for the month of July. Lock it in, get trading around a group of people who are all on the same path as you. There's a lot of educational in there. There's a lot of like commentary where I'm going over this price action in real time. There's an educational course with all of my setups and strategies that you guys can do. Also, guys, Apex sent out an email. They've extended the 80% off sale. So if you guys need those evaluations to maybe start working this plan and start trying out playing the daily 5, you guys can definitely pick those up for 80% off by using code DANTHONY. It's at the top of the screen for the spelling. I will see all of you guys on the next video. Make sure to smash the thumbs up button, guys. That's the only way that YouTube pushes this video out to more traders, is by absolutely smashing that thumbs up button. If I get 300, 400, 500 views on this video, I should at least have 200, 300 likes. Guys, I should at least have 100 likes. Even if you hate the video, give me a thumbs down. Even if you love the video, give me a thumbs up. Again, or vice versa. It doesn't really matter, but it just helps spread the video out to more traders. I'll see all of you guys on the next video.